Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We're on the map where the last video was we planted 2 fields of wheat. It is now April, so that means it is time for us to start planting corn. I also was thinking when I was just speeding up the time, getting ready to make this video, that we don't own very many fields, like we only own 3 fields. And we have like 4 tractors sitting here. I haven't even used the John Deere at all, the 2-track, or this one very much until now. But I was thinking maybe we could lease some ground and put some more corn in. I know corn's not the most profitable crop, but it yields a lot, making it basically so you get more money because you get more of the product. So anyways, let's get this seeder or planter filled up with seed, and then this tractor does have GPS on it, so I'll go out to the field and get our GPS line set and start planting. Alright, so I got my auto path. You can see the lines that are just showing up on the screen. I did plant the short way for the auto path because if we look at the map, I planted it as best as I could. I felt like this way is going to be the best, maybe not the best way, but it's the way I just did it. I don't know, we'll see if it works. I think I'm going to do 2 rounds around the field and then we'll just start doing our back and forth. So I hope you guys enjoy this time lapse I'm going to set up. Alright guys, so I got the field planted, obviously you saw, but if we go up here to leasing, or to the map, I would like to lease something close to home, so like somewhere around here, like either 22, maybe 21. That would be a big field. I feel like that'd be maybe a little big for us. Maybe 13, that seems to be a little smaller. But 13 is planted in radishes, or not radishes, gosh, sugar beet. 21 is planted in soybeans already. So we might just lease field 21. I feel like that's what I'll probably do, is just lease it, harvest, and then cut the soybeans off when it's time to cut them. So yeah, we'll have the 2 fields of wheat, a corn, and a soybean. And that'll work good because our bins are right here at the farm. I can just easy cut, run the truck up. Yeah, so I think we're gonna do that. I won't lease it right now because it's gonna cost us a fair bit. If we go here, field 21, it's gonna cost us 3,000 a day. So I think if we were just to just go now, lease it when it's ready to be harvested, we should be good. But also we need to fertilize and put some fertilizer down on what I just planted. I know it's probably not the most realistic thing to put it down after it's planted, but that's just what I'm going to do. So I also think that these other 3 tractors have wide tracks. This one has row tracks, so we're just going to use this John Deere one again after I get it off the planter. I also was thinking that I put the GPS on the Challenger 2-track. I like John Deere, but I just don't see me using the John Deere 2-track. So I'm thinking of selling it and possibly selling the pull behind sprayer that we have, because I don't have any liquid I don't have any liquid fertilizer or herbicide or anything, and I turned the weeds off in the server just so I wouldn't have to deal with them, because I know it's not realistic, but in the video games I really don't like stuff like that just because of the hassle. So we're gonna hook up to this, go fill it with solid fertilizer, go spread it out on the corn, and probably speed up time and get harvest. Probably sell the 2-track, and the pull behind sprayer, and probably start harvest then. Or hopefully with the money we get from sprayer and the 2-track, I can buy a grain cart to pull behind the case quad. Especially for this big field, I could have a truck on one end, a grain cart on the other, and just go back and forth, hopefully. But yeah, I'm gonna get the corn planted, or corn fertilized, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I got done fertilizing. It only took 20% of this cart to fertilize it. So now I'm going to park tractor and the cart, and then we're going to sell the John Deere 2-track and the self-propelled sprayer, because I just don't see them being used much on the farm anymore. Maybe we'll buy just the tractor back eventually, but as of right now we only have the $1,800, and I would like more, especially if we're going to ramp that other ground. So I'm going to park this real quick. Okay, so let's go here. Owned items. See, I'll get a good price. This is our 3rd most expensive tractor. So yeah, this John Deere has 458, so only 20 more than the Challenger. We don't need much because we got these 2. No, I don't want to sell that one. But the big case quad and the John Deere 8RX. So we're gonna sell this one, and then let's go back to sprayers. Sell 45,000. pretty good chunk of money. So we got $313,744. So now I'm gonna go to auger wagons, aka grain carts. I want to get a mother bin, but they hold a lot. But I don't think that would be the best choice for us right now. So we're gonna go with this Demco crawler tracks, probably red, just so it matches the red quad. Bought that, and we still have under 98,000. So let's go. I'm gonna go pick up the grain cart, and then we'll speed up time and get on with harvest. Alright guys, so I made it back with the case, quad, and the grain cart. I do have to admit, even though it's a case, it does look pretty sweet on that grain cart. So now we need to start harvest. The wheat is going to be ready first, then I assume the beans, and then the corn. So let harvest begin. Isn't that awesome how that works? Thanks to editing skills. Yeah, so time for harvest. So let's get in the combine, get the header. We get cutting some wheat. Alright, headers on. Time to unfold the combine. While that's unfolding, hurry and pull the side by side out of the way. Get in the combine. I don't think we're gonna bale straw because we don't have a baler or a good tractor to run on a baler. Just turn on the combine, separator and header. Now let's dive in. And I know I don't have the semi or the grain cart hooked up. Well, the grain cart is hooked up, it's not pulled out of the shed yet. And that's just because I want to start harvesting just a little bit. I want to make sure that the reel is set just right. Yeah, so I'll probably go till I get 50% and then turn around and go back to where we started. And I'm gonna swing this around so it's parked on the non-tarp side, so I don't have to load on the tarp side with the tarp. Alright, there should be good. Turn it off. Hurry and move the grain cart out of the way. So a full tank of the combine is 18% on the grain cart. So I think it'll work if I go up to the top there with this grain cart and have cart on the one end, semi on the bottom. But I'm gonna finish cutting this headland right here, and then set my GPS, go to the top, towards the top headlands, take the grain cart up there, and we should be able to start doing our back and forth. Alright guys, so I did the bottom headlands right here. I did dump into the truck for an empty tank. I'm gonna get my GPS set up here and go to the top of the field, work the headlands up there, and then start doing the back and forth. If we look at our yield, it's not the best, but we are in the silty clay soil right here on the bottom and this side of the field. So I really didn't expect the yield to be really great. Once we get up into this loam and the sandy loam, I'm hoping for it to be better, but the loam is going to be the best part. I'm not sure what the sandy loam or loamy sand is going to do. But yeah, I'm going to set up a time lapse and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so I did do quite a bit of harvesting. You guys saw on the time lapse. Not a lot, but a decent amount. And I think this is going to be the end of the video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Next video will probably be more wheat, possibly soybean harvest. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.